Hello, I'm coming from Group 8. We would like to tell you about conditional sentences. Here is our personnel. First, Chandra Bima Anada. Second, Rifki Ari Kurniawan. Third, Raihana Filjunizal. Fourth, Altila Ardalia Nelaa. Next, next. Here, the definition and division of conditional sentence. A conditional sentence is a sentence that gives a condition. Example, if it rains and the outcome of the condition occurring. Example, the post test will be delayed. Here, there are four types of conditional sentences: zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. Um, the next will be continued by my friend Chandra.
Next, we have zero conditional material. The zero conditional is from is the way. For formula is if plus simple present by following simple present. For example, is if you had water, it's boil. We use zero conditional to expressing something as a fact. Di sini zero conditional dinyatakan untuk mengekspresikan sesuatu yang berhubungan dengan fakta atau keseharian. For example, if you want to get the score, you have to study every day. Want di sini menunjukkan simple present, to study menunjukkan simple present. Ada catatan, the simple present tense is used in expressing zero conditional sentence. Next slide. Next slide we have first conditional. The first conditional is from is the way. For formula is if plus simple present by following will plus infinitive. For example is if you go, you will see the lion. Go di sini menunjukkan simple present dan will plus infinitive yaitu see. We use the first conditional to state the result of a possible future event occurring. Di sini digunakan first conditional di sini digunakan untuk mengungkapkan suatu fakta yang mungkin terjadi ke depannya. Nah, untuk contohnya ada if I pass my exam, my parent will buy me a scooter. Pas di sini menunjukkan simple present dan will buy menunjukkan will plus infinitive. Ada juga catatan with a first conditional sentence, the simple present tense is used in the if clause and the simple future tense is used in the main clause. Next slide will be explained by my friend.
Thanks for the introduction. Next, I would like to explain about second conditional and third conditional. Firstly, I talk about second conditional. Second conditional have a purpose to state the result of an unlikely event occurring or an untruth being true. This condition have a structure consist of if plus simple past followed by verb plus verb. Condition unlikely event. If this happen, then followed by main clause, this will happen some action. Example, if I had much money, I would take my parents to Mecca. If I had much money, state condition, followed by I will take my parents to Mecca, states main clause. Note, the simple past tense is used in the if clause and will rarely sold or could with the base form of a verb is used in the main clause. Next. Then, third conditional. Third conditional have a purpose to state the result of a possible future event that occur. Next condition have a structure consists of if, past perfect, followed by would have, past participate. Condition consists of unfulfilled event. If this had happened, then main clause this would happen, followed by some action. The example: if I had broken my leg, I would have gone to hospital. If I had broken my leg, state condition, followed by I would have gone to hospital, states main clause. Note: with a third conditional sentence, past perfect tense is used in the if clause and would have rarely could have with a past participle is used in the main clause. Thanks. The next will presented by my friend.
Here I would like to continue about my friend's presentation. More about conditional sentences. If clauses without an if. An if clause can be introduced with other terms such as when, unless, provided that, and as long as, or by using inversion. Example: were he available, he would be selected. For example, I will swim unless the water is too cold. I will swim as long as the water is not too cold. I will swim provided that the water is not too cold. When they introduce an if clause, when, provided that, and as long as, can usually be replaced with if. Also, unless could be replaced with an if, not construction. Example: if the water is not too cold. So, the term if clause, despite being disliked by some grammarians, is pretty accurate. It's certainly convenient. Next, mixed conditionals. Occasionally, a conditional sentence will steal the structures from two different types of conditional sentence. This most commonly occurs when a conditional sentence that use the structure of a second conditional sentence for one clause and the structure of a third conditional sentence for the other. These are called mixed conditionals. If we were smarter, we wouldn't have set off in this whether. The meaning is the if clause is second conditional structure, the main is third conditional structure. Example again: if you had checked the weather, we would not be stranded now. It means that the if clause is third conditional structure, the main is second conditional structure. Mixed conditionals like this are typically used to express regret for past action or past inaction. Next, why should I care about conditional sentences? Fortunately, the vast majority of native English speakers can create conditional sentences of all four flavors and the mixed flavors without tripping themselves up. It is because native English speakers are naturally great at tenses. That said, there are some fairly common hiccups related to tense worth covering and also a point on using commas. Next,
Oke, thank you for the explain. Jadi masuknya di sini tuh karena penutur asli bahasa Inggris tuh hebat dalam tenses. Jadi ada beberapa perbedaan jeda terkait dengan penutup dan juga penggunaan titik koma. Oke, next. Di sini ada beberapa contoh. Yang pertama, if you ask him, he will take you to the airport. Di sini termasuk contoh dari first conditional karena pakai will terus take. Yang kedua ada the view was wonderful. If I had had a camera with me, I will have taken some photograph. Di sini termasuk contoh third conditional karena pakai had terus had lagi. Terus yang ketiga ada you know that I can't afford this ring. If I earn more, I will buy you the whole world. Ini termasuk dalam contoh second conditional karena menggunakan would terus why. Yang keempat ada it's a pity I didn't go to Spain last summer. If I had gone there, I would have had a chance to use my Spanish. Ini termasuk contoh third conditional karena menggunakan would have plus had. Yang kelima ada if I were you, I will take your neighbor to court. Termasuk second conditional karena menggunakan would terus take. Thank you.
And next, I think that's all from our presentation at Group 8. Thank you so much, guys, for your attention to our presentation about conditional sentence. Maybe you have any questions, you can ask our group in the group WhatsApp. Thanks, guys. I'm sorry if we have a lot of trouble here. Maybe you can forgive us for upgrading more presentation. Thanks, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye bye.